This video is going to show you how to thread a Pfaff Tiptronic 6270 and also how to thread the bobbin case. So we're going to first start with the bobbin case, which is loaded down here. You flip this little lever down, and then if you look, see the bobbin case in there, there's a little tab on it. Simply pull that tab to bring the case out. When you're putting your thread on, you've got your spool, so you can see the thread is going over the spool in this direction. There's a groove inside the bobbin case which is going downward right, or downward left. So we take our bobbin case, put the bobbin in it, and bring our thread from the right to the left, looking at it from the rear, that is, and then pull it under this little lip, and that's it. It should hold itself like so, and there's a large screw right here which is used for adjusting the tension. To put it back into place, simply insert it in, push it till you hear the click. Okay, next part of this video, now we're going to thread the needle. Our spool sits inside. There's a spool pin in there, and there's a couple guides for threading, which is there. Here's the thread guide, and then you have these grooves. One of the things you want to do is raise your needle to the highest position, and you'll see your thread take up lever pop up here. You want it in that position. So we just take our thread, and there's a groove in here in that first guide. We bring our thread into this groove and then pull it from the back to the front. You'll hear a little click because there's a tab in here and a groove. So you're inserted fine. Then the next thread guide, pull it from the back to the front. And then you pull down through this channel. If you're doing dual thread, there's actually a divider in between there, and you put one thread on one side, one on the other. Pull down through the bottom, and then you're going to come up the other side. Now when you come up, hold your thread to the left, because you want to loop it around the top of the thread take-up. So you're coming from the left to right now. Then you go back down this same channel, and on the needle bar there's two little clips, one on each side. Either side is fine. If you're doing dual thread, again, one's for one side, one's for the other. Okay, so we're going to choose the clip on the left. So if you're using a left clip, you're going left to right to get into it. If you're using the right clip, you go right to left. Then there's this neat thing. Make sure your needle's all the way up. Pull this lever down for the needle threader. there's a little tab on here, a little L-shaped bracket. You want to bring your thread around so you're going left to right. And then the clip on your needle threader goes through the hole. And then you're just pulling your thread up on the front side of that. Oops. And it pulled it through, which is really cool. I like this. You pull your thread is going from front to back through the needle. And then run the balance wheel 1 revolution, rolling the top towards you. So you grab the thread from your bobbin case down there. And there you have it. Pull the excess through. Use the thread cutter. And that's how you thread the Pfaff 6270.